Hello everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with a very quick unboxing. This time comes from LP Diecast Garage, and they just released some new exclusives from GreenLight. So they were Notchback Mustangs. Even though I'm not a Mustang guy, the Notchback of the Fox body is pretty sharp, so I can't resist. Anyway, I ordered it up. And here we go. All right, good packing here, good packing material. Oh, that's right. I also added, we'll get this one out of the way first. I also added an M2 machines to the order. This is the hobby exclusive, the 1991 Chevy 1500 SS454. This is exactly how the truck came from the factory, and they just did a really nice job with it. I've got a couple of these from M2, and just well done. They're just well done. I really don't have much to say. They were part of the club box there with the cool groovy 90s graphics. I have one from SEMA in the purple with they both have lower chassis, and this one is just the stock truck. And from the looks of it here, I don't see anything that is concerning as far as QC goes. I mean, we all know that when we find M2 on the peg, sometimes either the shippers aren't too kind to them or the QC people aren't too kind, but this looks pretty good. I'm very excited to take this, open this up here and get to it. So anyway, so that's just that. Now, it looks like they for the exclusives, if you were one of the first, I don't know, 200 orders or something, you got a pin and you got a sticker, complimentary pin, complimentary sticker. So even though I don't collect either of them, I did want the cars, so it was a nice added bonus to get the pin and the sticker. But all right, let's see, nicely packed in some bubble wrap. So again, these are not the only new exclusives. These are just the ones that caught my attention. Here's the pin. It's actually pretty neat there. Cool. And then you get the sticker, right? Nice sticker there. And I got one in gray. And there should be a gray pin somewhere. Here it is. So pretty neat. And here we go. So these are all exclusives on here as well. And I ordered them last time. The two F-150 Lightnings, you got the hatchback 5.0, you got the Notchback in, was that Calypso green? I think that's what it is. And then the Ram 3500 with the utility bed there, or not the utility bed, whatever that bed's called. So here you go, LP Diecast Garage. Give them a follow on Instagram and on Facebook. They got a group as well. So nice people, pleasure to deal with. I purchased these. They didn't send them to me for free, so I can fluff their egos. All right. Anyway, enough about that. Let's see what we got. So, Fox body Mustang. This is Destroyer Gray, and it is pretty gnarly. Again, the Notchback. It's got some monster drag slicks. It has the cowled hood there. Looks like it's got hood pin decos on it there, and tinted rear windows, which is neat. Got the dual exhaust through the bumper. Got the LP on the Pennsylvania license plate. I always appreciate when GreenLight does license plates, because otherwise it's just a blank space. So always a missed opportunity. And here's one thing I will say is that the taillights are seated very nicely on the back of this hatch. Okay, let's see, limited 1536, and looks pretty good. I'll have to readjust the tire on the front there, but that's nothing detrimental there. Excellent. All right, again, Destroyer Gray. It's got the LP Diecast Garage logo on the top there. Got their call out for their website. Pretty neat. And next one is the same setup in Bimini Blue. And this one looks pretty neat too. It's got good deco at the cowl there as well. It looks like it's got the vents tampoed in right by the windshield wipers. Mirrors are done. Nice. Well done. So again, 2 new exclusives from LP Diecast Garage, Bimini Blue and Destroyer Gray. It's a 93 Ford Mustang. The Fox body, of course, with the notchback. And I can't wait to crack these open and see what kind of monster engines are under those cowled hoods. So thanks for viewing. Check out the other unboxing videos I have. You can find me on Instagram at Onesixtyfourland, and we'll see you at the next one.